Oh, are you saving up for a new place? Are you putting what you want on hold until life circumstances fall into place? Are you in a home you love, but you know it just hasn't reached its full potential? Whatever your situation, take some time to reassess and establish your home goals for the new year. Bonus tip, write it down. You're 42% more likely to achieve your goals by writing them down. Good questions to ask yourself to help you establish your goals. Do you currently own your home or hope to own a home soon? Where do you see yourself in 2, 5, or 10 years? Does your current living situation support your desirable lifestyle? Is it affordable? Can you entertain? Are you hesitant adding a new baby or dog you desperately want because your home isn't set up for it yet? If you could change one thing about your home, what would it be? You, your family, and your dreams are worthy of time and energy it takes to evaluate where you're living and if it still supports your life, and likely it should. Remember, your home should be the stage where you act out the life you want. It shouldn't be the star of the show. You are the star, and your home should allow you to shine bright. As always, Columbus, Ohio, we're keeping it real in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.